Hello everyone, this is the Master 007 here. I am going to be doing a view on this little John Deere Excavator made by Ertl. First off, it is mostly plastic. This is a toy Ertl Excavator. It's made in 1/64 scale, I believe, but I like to collect it as a display model in my room. But I'm sitting in my computer room right now because it's better for high quality videos. But anyways, what I really like about it is the tracks do roll. Well, the tracks are a little stiff. Gotta push them hard to get them going. The body does rotate 360 degrees. The only diecast part on this excavator is the body carriage, the cab, and the cylinders on the boom, and then there's a couple of screws right there you can see. And the bucket is plastic, the boom's plastic, and the exhaust back here, those are plastic as well. It's got your Deere logo right there. It's got your little Deere logo right at the side on the cab, and if you look really closely, you can see a little bit of the joysticks and everything. And yeah, so anyways, this is a review on the John Deere Excavator toy made by Ertl, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Anyways, peace out.